In this video I'm going to show you how to summarize an article with ChatGPT. So what we need to do is open our ChatGPT and log into our account. You can do that by using the Google account to log in. It's completely free, and once you have done that you will arrive at this screen. So what we need to do is search for an article which we are going to summarize with ChatGPT. So go to Google and search for an article about and then the topic you would like to use. For this example, I'm using the topic, the history of American football. So what we will do, we will select a article. Let's choose this one. And what we want to do now is basically copy this link, then go to ChatGPT, and we are pasting it over here. But we will first add a prompt in front of this link. So we will create a prompt. Can you summarize this article? And then I will go to the end and add some more prompts. Please create some important bullet points. Also make it easy to understand. So now you have created a prompt and it is searching the web about this article. And as you can see, it is now bullet pointing this article. And as you can see, we can give them a response on this response from ChatGPT. So what we will do now, also write a 500 words summarize of this article and add the bullet points. So once you have entered this prompt, it will start writing a little summarize and it will add the key points of this article. And that is basically how you summarize an article with ChatGPT. If it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!